Welcome to TribeTopper. So let's learn how we apply the principle of moments to this diagram. We have this system or this arrangement. They're asking which equation relating to W, Z, A and B is correct. So W and Z are the two weights hanging on different sides of the pivot, and A is the distance of object weight W from the pivot, and B is the distance of the object of weight Z from the pivot. So what is the principle of moments equation? It says that the total anti-clockwise moment is equal to total clockwise moment. So this is going to produce a total of clockwise moment, that is Z times B, and anti-clockwise moment will be produced from this side. So anti-clockwise moment is W times A. It's always force times distance, and that is equal to the clockwise moment, that is C times B. So the equation is C that governs the given diagram. Thank you.